in the Karting engine. It's difficult. It's a bit difficult to control that. Engines are very heavy, so when you're going through the right-handers, so it's just up to your body weight. If you can balance it well with your body weight. Right guys, so heat number 2 done, and let me quickly talk to you about this truck. Right guys, this is a start finish straight, really long straight, and the first one we have a right-hander double apex with a short straight between these double right-hander. Then we have a straight time to relax, and then again double right-hander, but it's with a double apex as well, but it's a shorter one. And now we have a left-hander, very tricky left-hander. You think that this is a double apex, but it's not really. You can take only last apex. Now another straight and a very fast left-hander with a short straight, and next one is a right-hander 90 degree, and it follows by another right-hander, and again guys a right-hander, but this one like a hairpin, and it's a sequence corner with a right, left, and again right. Here we go, this is the exit of these complex corners, and here we go guys, end of the lap. Right guys, hi everyone, this is me Racing Wolf, and let me quickly explain you what's happening, because again my microphone broken, so you couldn't hear me on a video. But I quickly tell you, I am at the Grampian circuit, and we're doing here local championship. I'm visiting round number 2. There is, I think, in total 8 rounds or something like this. We're using here Sody karts with a very rare engine. This is the engine which used at the Dart Championship. I think it's a 125cc 4-stroke engine, but really, the engine is really quick one. It's a button start engine, and to be honest with you, I like these Sodys with these engines because they're really quick. You even can see now on a straight how quick it is. Okay guys, about the circuit quickly, this is a Grampian circuit. I already spoke about Racing Line, but I think it's is that bigger than the Larkall? I'm not sure, to be honest with you. I think it's the same distance like Larkall. Okay guys, check it flat one out.
Sorry Paul, it's a bit dirtier than I expected, like, but
that's alright, mate.
I've been working on for a couple of laps. I was like, fuck, gotta go for it here, this is the only place I can get them, like.
No, it's a rental, mate, it's understandable.
Spun off the first lap.
Right guys, and here we are, we on track again for the finals, and I can tell you that the heat 1, 2 and 3 was really exciting for me. Right, what happening in finals? First of all, what I noticed in not in this corner but in the next one, in this corner I'm even passing someone. Yeah, so in this left-hander, what I noticed that my car had a terrible left-handers, but again, this is rental cars. We have to drive what we've got, you know, because I can't stop and swap it, but I will lose loads of time and loads of position, so at least I can finish somewhere. And as you can see, I'm not that bad because I just now overtook someone again. Okay guys, here we go. I'm gonna have a really good battle with this guy with the blue and white helmet. This guy is really good. He's lighter than me, I think. Oh, Yeah, we all heavyweights, but he's a bit lighter than me. Okay, I'll take it as excuse. Yeah, I'm really heavy. I am now about 100 kilos. I don't know how much with all racing gear, more than 100. But as you can see, I still can keep up behind that guy. Actually, I'm saying that I'm heavy, but I don't know what is the weight of this guy, because looks like he's really struggling. But I'm trying. Oh, that was really aggressive from my side, because the corner was too quick. I think I had to stick behind, but I still behind this guy. Yeah, I apologize for that situation. I really bumped him too heavy. Yeah, but I like this guy. He is really good, and I could keep up behind him. And oh, the other camera angle. Oh, I forgot I had the other cameras, but I think it's going to be only one camera angle, because the other cameras switched off because of the weather temperature. It was really hot that day. Here we go. At least I passed that guy. That wasn't bad overtaking maneuver in a double right-hander. Quickly fast forward. And I think he's gonna pass me back. Yes, this corner was his famous, I'll be honest with you. You're still gonna see him not once overtaking me here. I don't know, he really was good at that corner. Fast forward again, because it's boring. He gonna come back where, oh yes, in a left-hander, where of course I hadn't any speed, I hadn't any grip. So yes, that left-hander is really bad for me. Now as you can see, these two guys getting in battle, and here we go. I had the opportunity to overtake him on a straight. Am I gonna pass this guy? I'm not sure, because I'm losing him very quickly. Here we go. He came back in his famous corner, number 2. I mean, you can see two numbers, number 8 and number 2, but the main number is the yellow one. So number 2, this is his number for this race. Because I think he started second in this race. Here we go again. Oh, I overtook him in the left-hander where I hadn't any speed. Fast forward, and boom, he returns in his famous corner. He is really good at that corner. A little bit aggressive, but really good. You know what? I don't mind in a rental cars to have aggression. I mean, to have a bit of aggressive battle, because this is rental cars. They have a lot of wraparounds, a lot of safety. You see, with this guy, we really was battling. So, oh my God, why he came back on me in that moment? I couldn't understand why he came back on me so hardly, so aggressively, because it just made him to lose a place. But luckily, he didn't lose me that far away. Fast forward. Yeah, nothing happening, as you can see. Here we go. I think again this guy gonna come on me. Oh yes, in this left-hander, exactly in this left. Oh no, this is the other driver. This is driver number 3. Oh yeah, because of our battle, of course, some other drivers, they was able to catch with us. No, he didn't overtook me, number 3. I managed to keep it up, but I'm more than sure I'm gonna lose it right now. Yes. Yes, that was a classic switcheroo. Amazing driving from number 3 and number 2. And as you can see, I'm even waving hand how aggressive it was. But come on, Racing Wolf, don't give up. And of course, I'm not gonna give up. Oh, I'm losing them too far away, but I don't think I'm gonna lose them far away. Or actually, yes, I lost them. Yeah. No catching. Okay, fast forward. Let's see where we're gonna dump. I'm sorry, because I don't remember this race as well. I've been editing, and oh yeah, I managed to get one position back. Am I? No, we're side by side. We're still side by side. Oh my goodness. I mean, honestly, finals for me was really exciting, because I had loads and loads of battles. Loads. I mean, I love that truck, and I love their go-karts, and the amount of battle you have on the track is enormous. You can see it on your screens right now. Okay guys, I don't think I'm gonna be able to catch them now, because they are too far away. So I said you about that this is a Sody cars. I said you that this is a really long venue, and you can see it on your screens. And the championship is amazing as well. The way how it's organized, everything is happening really quick from hit to hit. I mean, I really liked it. Oh, someone went out. Is that my chance? Is that my opportunity to go for it? Nope. Not really, not really. Number 3. Oh, here he is. This is my opportunity, and I think I pushed him too wide. But as I said, we was really aggressive to each other, like really aggressive. You can see even that 2 drivers in front, they battling like a mad. Yeah, guys. So. 8-round championship organized really well, everything from hit to hit going really quick. They even had drivers owners up there during our event, so we was sharing they were sharing, or we were sharing venue with us. Now it's a number 5 came on me. Where's number 9 who was battling with me? So I have a chance to see the drivers owners with the Rotexes up there, and I can tell you Rotex on that venue looks really crazy and amazing. Here we go, check it like went out, guys. Right, guys, this is it. This is the end of the day. So, in the finals, I started P6, finished P7, had a bit of a bad, really bad, it's not excuses or whatever, I really had a really bad left-hander, but as I said, on board, we have to use what we have, you know. It's just a 8-minute race, so no point to go in and swap the car, and it doesn't make sense, to be honest with you. I mean, I still was good even with a bad left-hander. Yeah, so P7, I'm happy. First time on the venue, second time, first time on the dry, I'm really happy. Guys, so this is it for this video. If you like this video and it was really interesting, hit the like button, share this video, leave a comment of what you think about Grampian Karting Club, what you think about their go-karts, and what you think about this championship, because it's a championship. Of course I took only 1 round, but maybe I'll come back to do one more at the end of the year. Oh, there is a drift cars. Oh my goodness, that is interesting. Okay, sorry, it just took my attention. Yeah, guys, so this is it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and as usually, I'll see you in the next video. See ya.